Lesson 306. The gift of Christ is all I seek today. What but Christ's vision would I use today, when it can offer me a day in which I see a world so like to heaven that an ancient memory returns to me? Today I can forget the world I made. Today I can go past all fear and be restored to love and holiness and peace. Today I am redeemed and born anew into a world of mercy and of care, of loving kindness and the peace of God. And so, our Father, we return to you, remembering we never went away, remembering your holy gifts to us. In gratitude and thankfulness we come, with empty hands and open hearts and minds, asking but what you give. We cannot make an offering sufficient for your Son, but in your love the gift of Christ is his.